here. Just got a bit of a stall in here. Oh, word of mouth. This is one of my favorites too. So this is same sort of thing. Is that um, uh, there's numerous little buttons you can put on your website or your blog or any your company that allows people to share information with others. And believe me, when people come to your website or your blog or anything you have online and they find that stuff compelling, make it easy for them to send that information to someone else. Pardon me. It's there's addthis.com and there's the Tell a Friend, which I have listed on here, that allow you to basically email or share this out to numerous different sources such as StumbleUpon and Facebook and Twitter and so on and so forth. This is just an easy way for people to promote your information. You have the Facebook liked. Do you remember that?
Now, a lot of people don't run their own websites, right?
True.
So is this a difficult thing for a web developer to install? And I know the answer, but maybe you can explain.
No, not at all. I mean, they give you the code and everything like that, right?
Yeah.
So, I mean, if you don't have your own website, let's pretend you're working for a small company and stuff like that. Go beg the president of the company to put this stuff on, because I mean, it just allows you to get your information spread. People want to tell others about information they find, so why not make it easy for them? Once again, back to your question, it's code that comes up. And you just take that code, and a web developer can slap it up online very quickly.
Yeah.
It's
and then
so
if
simple.
you're running
do.
a blog,
Yeah.
if you run a WordPress blog or anything like that, it's just you just insert it, right?
Yep.
So it's like a couple keystrokes, and you can insert it into the page. Or
Absolutely.
they probably even have an app that automatically runs it on the WordPress site.
Yep.
Is that how you do yours?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
good.
absolutely. And the other thing too is here's a stat. I'm full of stats. Only 66% of all sales are influenced by word of mouth and referrals. Yet only 18% of companies have a formalized referral program in place. So I mean, you want to be there's where you want to be part of the minority, right? To get the majority of the sales and stuff like that. Just once again, that's word of mouth type stuff. So there's
what I found too is when you do that kind of thing, the most important thing is to clearly ask them to do it.
yeah,
Could you please help me?
yes,
Is a great way to do it. I do it in emails occasionally. I fire it off. Could you please help me? Immediately, I get a dozen or 24 people that act on that.
Yep.
Because generally people react to that kind of response. But if you put a splash that says "promote us to the world," people are less apt to just jump on that and give you a hand, because they don't feel like you really need it. They just think, well, you're just publicizing yourself.
ask
so
for
clearly
help.
ask for it. Yeah.
Ask for help.